Hello guys, welcome back to my channel where crypto is made simple. Bitcoin just had a flash crash, bringing prices down to 15.5k, causing panic and fear in the market. Will this continue? We'll discuss further in this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Let's jump in. In our previous video, I spoke about the NVT HV and the historic volatility. And what we said was keep an eye on the NVT going down below the yellow line, which is the 40 level, and peeking its head above. If the NVT peaks above the yellow line in white color, that's bearish. And if we peak above the yellow line in red color, that's bullish. As you can see over here, it peaked above the yellow line in white color while having this crash. Simple ways to stay ahead of the corner. And you can see over here on the stochastic RSI on the momentum, we had a cross down below the 80 level, which is another sign of momentum slowing down a bit. Let's jump to the next chart. As you know guys, I'm always comparing this current cycle with 2015 cycle because they're almost mirroring each other. What you can see over here, back when we had a cross down below the 20 level, Bitcoin took roughly 334 days to our bottom candle. Meanwhile, in this current cycle, when we had a cross down, we're exactly at 335 days, almost two similar time frames. So is that a big of a concern? I don't think so. I'll also share another chart in a second to make things clearer. In this next chart, we're still on the monthly time frame. We have the 21 moving average, 21 month moving average. What you can realize over here, back in 2015, when we crossed below the green line, the 21 month moving average, Bitcoin fell 61%, forming a double bottom, as you guys can see over here. A double bottom with wicks below. Let's jump into the current cycle. Over here, when Bitcoin crossed below the 21 month moving average, we fell 60%, 61%, 60%. So is Bitcoin doing something out of the ordinary? No, I don't think so. We're having similar price action just like 2015. As you can see here, we called for the bottom few months back at 17.5k, and I still believe that was the bottom. But keep in mind, in 2015 we had a double bottom, and it took like roughly 5 to 6 months before we had a double bottom, and our second bottom was a bit lower than the first one. If you jump over here, you can see we called the bottom over here at 17.5k, but we're way below it currently right now, also having a lower low, a low slightly lower than the previous low. I'm going to show you in this next chart is very significant, and it all boils down to this current chart I'm going to pop up in a second. Alright, to our last chart. What you want to keep your eyes peeled on and watch for November is Bitcoin closing above this level, 19.5k. As you guys know, everything is based on support and resistance. I still believe that the bottom is in, and I still believe that there's a slight chance that Bitcoin could rally by the end of the month back to this line, closing above this line, having a huge wick, just like over here, and over here, and over here also. Wicks tell the story, and the candles tell the fact. So you always want to concentrate on the facts in the charts, like we say. So if Bitcoin surprises everyone like usual and rallies back above and close above 19.5k, that's going to be a very bullish candle. If not, then we'll talk about our next level, which is down below here, as you can see in the white line. Let's watch and see how it plays out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video.